Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My voice is pretty scratchy today. Today is day 7 of working on my study guide. So I said ready. And I'm just gonna wait. Sorry the video is posted a bit late. My bad. So we're gonna be covering the triangle concepts today. So I made a list of concepts that we need to cover for the study guide and grouped it into shapes. There's triangle, square, circle, rectangle, star. So the first one we're gonna be doing is verb stems, conjugation, and tenses. So let's go. Guys, I still have to listen to that new album. Today was the first day of Hypen's World Tour. They all did really good, but I don't want to say anything that will offend anybody, so I'll just probably keep my opinions to myself. So yeah, they did really good though. Now we're doing number 3, Korean numbers, Sino-Korean. My voice is a bit scratchy, I don't know why. So 저는 어제 공원에서 한국어를 공부했어요. Guys, I've been really loving, I don't know how to say it right, the Velocade by Santos Bravos. I really like that song. Guys, I wrote a song for Heesung, but I don't know if I should release it. I don't know if I should release it. So right now, I'm gonna be talking. So I have 2 questions for you guys. Who was your bias before the concert if you went, and who is your bias now? And what is one song you really liked from the concert? It can be your favorite song. So I wanted it to explain number 1 better. Yeah, so the new explanation was so much more better. Guys, I miss Heesung. I only had 6 months with OT6. I mean, what? I only had 6 months with OT7. I mean, I'm a OT7 middle engine. Basically, what that is I'm an OT7, a support of 7 of them, and a support of 7 of them, but still wishing for Heesung's return without like spamming it everywhere. But that also means I agree with what OT6s are saying, and I agree with what OT7s are saying, but I don't agree with some things that OT6 says and some things OT7 says, but I'm still an OT7 fan, you know? So I've already finished today's notes, just curious by the way. I already know what we're going to be covering on Saturday, but I just wanted to ask you, I don't know why. Please subscribe and like and share. I like to make sure that the man knows what we're doing because it's an AI information. Guys, I don't know if I should release the song I made about Heesung. Maybe I should. Think about it. Probably, if I do want to release it, I'll probably release it in the summer during July or August. Oh. Comment down below if you know what day in which month you start sending in Hypin. Mine is September 11th. Yeah. So we're going to be covering numbers and counting, native numbers, difference between Sino versus native, dates and days. We're not covering that, we've already covered it. Location, nouns, particles, 조사. Guys, my skin is peeling like everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh well. I'll be putting like Vaseline on the places that peeled the most this night. So yeah. Voice is really scratchy. I have to stop talking. Bye. Also guys, we are humans. Respect people's opinions. Like if they're spamming like on members things, it happened to 7, it happened to 6, then that's fine, you could call them out gently. But if they're just trying to say that they miss Heesung and are still using Heesung stickers on Hypin's videos, and you're not saying, oh, like Heesung is this, like bring back Heesung on the Hypin's videos, they're just using their stickers, please let them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See y'all tomorrow for my late Wednesday video, which is today, to be posted today as well with this one from last week's. I'm excited because my video from last week, Saturday, was revived, so it's gonna be coming out on Saturday along with the current video.